Okay, guys, today we're going to do lesson, probably should spell out lesson, huh? 1-5. And today's title is The Dot. Now, for 8th period, you're still technically in review, but you and we all know that you could use some more review, so that's okay. So we're going to continue on just like normal. For those of you in 8th period who nailed it, you can review this and move on. All right, the dot appears at the right of a note. So we're going to start with a half note because that's the first one most music players see. And this is the dot. So, having said that, let's proceed. What does the dot do? The dot adds value to the note. How much? I'm going to write out the technical definition. That's really, where'd that come from? I was doing something, I guess. That's really technical, but hopefully it'll help some of you understand it. The dot adds a value of half of the note to the note. Yeah, that's kind of confusing. So let me give you an example. Okay, so let's say this half note gets 2 beats, right? Well, what's half of 2? 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Now, okay, so that's the dot. So that means the dot is 1 beat. What's that equal up to? 2 plus 1 equals 3. Okay, so now a dotted half note equals 3 beats. All right, pause the video, take a minute, think about it. You good? Okay, let's carry on. All right, on this page, we're going to do some examples. So you have, again, let's review one more time with a half note and a dot. Say the half note gets 2 beats because that's its most common beat. You'll learn that in the next lesson. The dot, what is half of 2? Now let's think about it. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So that means the dot gets 1 beat. All right, so now when do twin powers activate? Dotted half note equals 3. Why? 2 plus 1 equals 3. Math and music working together. Mass hysteria. Isn't it great? All right, so let's do another one. I don't understand, Broom. What are we doing? Okay, so let's try again. Let's do a quarter note because that's your next one you'll see more than likely. Remember, to the right of the note. Important. To the right of note. Important. Come on. There you go. There it is. Okay. Sorry, it took 3 taps to get that last one. All right, so in this case, the quarter note gets 1 beat. All right. So what's half of 1? 1 divided by 1/2 equals 1/2. Or in this case, let me write that better. 1 divided by 2. This is what happens from getting ahead of myself. So that means that we'll get 1/2 beat. And for those of you who love math, 1 plus 1/2 equals 1 1/2 beats. It works no matter what, and it does this no matter what happens. Every time, without fail. This is how the dot works, as long as it's to the right of the note. There's something else that comes way down the line that's like page 6 behind, are we using too much air for our instruments? Yeah, it's way down there, way, way down, okay? That is how the dot works. So, what are some common dotted notes? Well, you have a dotted whole note. Here's your dotted half note we talked about. Here's your dotted quarter note. And here is your dotted eighth note. Those of you who've been in band and been in it for a while will probably recognize this figure. If you're a beginner, please ignore this. It may confuse you. Dotted 8/16. Ta, 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 ta. Yep, national anthem. Used all over the place. Okay? So, that is the dot. That is how it works. If you have any questions, oh, okay, that's what that does. If you have any questions, please ask them in classroom. Escoba signing off.